Howdy everybody, Machine Yankee, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the bolts of a M1989, not 1989, 1898, my apologies, Springfield Armory Krag Jørgensen rifle in 30-40 Krag. Now, safety needs to be put in the on position, which it is already, because I've screwed up 3 takes of this already, so I apologize. So, we're going to then put the bolt in the upright position, so then you can pull it back. Then, pull it back. This is where it gets a little tricky. Now, there is a little notch right here. I hope you can see that. And this pin goes there. So put it in there for this position. Then all you have to do is pull it up and out, and then all you have to do is turn it to the left, the bolt by the bolt handle, turn it to the left, and then remove the bolt. And then you're ready for maintenance and cleaning, which I honestly need to do again after the last time I went shooting. It's a little crusty. I apologize. I have not done as much maintenance on this rifle as I would like because of the fact that it is falling apart. Not falling apart. It's still safe to shoot. It's just, it's having some issues. So then to safely put the bolt back into place, you make sure this looks like a Y. Then you slide the bolt, the locking lug facing upright. Slide that into position, and then you just, once this is past this block, you rotate, and then you just set that top bar into place. Send the bolt home, and there you go. You're rootin' tootin' and ready for some decent shooting. So there you go. I hope you learned something, everybody.